Good day guys, welcome to another video from FOREX. Welcome. This is another live market analysis that I will be doing here today. So you're welcome. Please, before I proceed, always endeavor to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that, so that you can as well see these videos once you release them first hand. You know, it's not easy. I mean, seeing someone coming on the internet to not just posting a result, but showing you exactly the process, how you can at least read the market using the pure price action without any indicator, you know, to analyze the market and then taking the trade accordingly. So I mean, the essence of doing this is one, to show you exactly how you can read the chart like a book using a simple terms of price action. You know, understand exactly what is happening and then taking the trade accordingly. So in this video, without wasting too much time, I will be looking at Gbpchf. So on my left side here, I have a Gbpchf 4-hour chart, while to the right side I'm having the same Gbpchf, but this is 1-hour chart. So I always love to use two time frame to do my analysis, so that I can see exactly what is happening in the universe above, that is the higher time frame, then one step lower, the lower time frame, the immediate lower time frame to the higher time frame, to see exactly what is happening into the bit of pieces, the little details of what the 4 hours is saying. Then I get to see it more clearly on the 1 hour. Then the 1 hour as well give me the accuracy of a tighter stop loss, you know, so that in case the trade goes against me, I can be able to manage my risk. To give me ability to be able to have a very tight stop loss while I can maximize the profit. So quickly guys, so if you look at this particular chart here, using the, let's look at it first from the 4 hours, you can see that the market has been in a downtrend. If you look at it from here, you can see that the market was coming down like that. You know, clearly you can see making a lower low, lower high. You can see the market was going this way. Let me change the color guys, just a minute. Let me change the color. You can see the market making a lower low to this place. You can see the market making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You can see, let me change the color a bit. Look at it from here. See the market coming down like that, pull back, come down again to this point, and started to range, turn into a range. A range means the market is not going up and it's not coming down, you know, it's bouncing within the frame of a particular price. You know, the buyers couldn't take it higher, sellers couldn't take it lower either, you know. So that is what we call a range. But when the market is in a range, don't forget that this ranging you see here is in the seller's territory. Because when the market broke from this point, come lower, you know, so everything below here, everything below from this point where it breaks this level, the seller's market. So when it breaks, the essence is for you to still be looking forward to see, okay, are they coming back to challenge this buyer? If the buyer couldn't take it down again, then it probably goes above, and hey, it comes to a seller's market. But when it ranges here for a bit, what do you know? The market couldn't go up, then it crashed down again. So when the market crashed from this point, now let me clear this. Let me clear this so that we can see exactly what I'm talking about very, very clearly. When the market move from this point here, from this area here, market move from here, break this little range that it was having here for the longest time, come down all the way to this low here. Then when it gets to this bottom here, that is what we call it. We call it support, call it bottom. Then what do you see? The market started going sideways, you know, started going. You couldn't come up to challenge the overall seller from here or from here. started ranging, started going sideways. But all this sideways for the longest time is happening at the seller's territory. Don't forget that the ranging that we're having here is coming at the seller's territory. So which means we are always looking for, because you don't want to be selling right at the bottom here. You don't want to be a loser. Only losers sell at this point. You want to probably look at if you can get a confirmation for a counter trend, but that's for another topic altogether, because counter trend is a bit risky, so I won't be talking about that today. I will be doing that probably in another video. So what you now see from here, from this point, look at this from here, guys. From here, what do you see? Market started to go up. It moves up like that, then pull back. You pull back. What do you see? Because the way the market moves up very, very aggressively like that, you want to always be looking at it like, okay, am I going to have another leg up, or what exactly, or is it going to come all the way down? But what do you see? There is a support here. From this point, market bounce again, goes higher, and it goes little bit above the guy the previous guy where he get to previously. It goes a little bit higher. What do you see? Market come all the way, almost about 100 or 110% of this very move that it push up. So when you see the market push up so deep like that, what tells you is that it seems like these sellers from here or from here, they are still looking like they are still much around. Because the market, the buyers coming in now for the pullback, they are losing momentum. Don't forget, guys, the buyers coming in are losing momentum. So when it comes down, people take out this mini buyer that goes up, the previous buyer from here. What do you know? Then what do you see? Okay, let's see the buyers again. Let them come in. Let's see exactly what they can do. And let's now jump into the 1 hour time frame and see exactly what is happening. Now we are looking at it from here. So this is exactly the area. Look at it. It took out this buyer from here that goes all the way, that make this higher high that turn out to be a faker, because it comes back. Market couldn't hold at the other side. It comes back and take out even the buyer. So what do you see? Market goes up. It couldn't even go up. Come back again. Giving all this pro. Then what do you see? Try to go again. It couldn't go. Try to go again. Goes up. Try to hold in the middle there. Look at it, guys. Buyers step up, which means the buyers are showing some signs of desperation again. Okay, let's see exactly what they can do. What do you see? Try to go, no higher high, come back. Try to go, no higher high again. Leave a little bit of a faker here, and come back, crashing all the way down to this point again. So now what I'm looking at is this seller, this overall seller from here. They are still very much around in this game. They still want to take this market probably down to this area again. So what I'm looking at now is for probably price to come hold below this area. I need price to close below this area. Then that probably will give me the confirmation for itself, taking it all the way to this area. That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is this buyer around here will probably still push it back up again. Because I won't want to be selling right at this point where the buyers have been buying it from all the way. Buy from here, buy from there. Again, let's see what they can do. So we also want to give them that benefit of doubt. See, okay, what can they do? So if they couldn't do anything and market come closing below here, that's the confirmation for itself for me. Then my stop loss just below, little bit above around this area. But if they could push it back up again, maybe to this area, let's say to this area where you having the seller, the last buyer now, to this area, and it failed, a failure on the lower time frame, maybe on the 15-minute time frame here, or a failure to this side, anyway around this area, for a failure to give me an heads up to say, hey, I can take the sell, have my stop loss just a little bit above here, and ride the market all the way down here. So what I'm saying in essence is, guys, you can always look at the market in a pure price action like this, read it, understand it in a simple term, and take the trade accordingly. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's help this channel grow. Please share the video so that I can be encouraged to do more videos like this. I still have much of these videos for today lining up. I can see some trades setting up that I will be sharing with you guys. So thank you, guys. Cheers.